Hi, now we're going to revise Accounts of Companies chapter section 128 to section 138 quickly. What is section 128? Talks about books of accounts. What is section 129? Talks about financial statements? No, we talk about preparation of financial statement. Financial statement is section 2 subsection 40. Next, 129 capital A talks about periodical financial statement. Next we have 130, 131. 130 talks about reopening of books of accounts in case of fraud. 131 talks about voluntary revision of financial statements or board's report. 132 talks about NFRA. 133 talks about accounting standards. 134 talks about signing off board's report, financial statements and contents of board's report, DRS, all of that. 135, everybody's favorite section, CSR. 136 and 137, again similar sections. 136 talks about circulation of financial statements to members before the AGM. 137 talks about circulation of FS to members after the AGM. No, I need you to follow. Circulation of financial statement to ROC after the AGM is 137 and 138 is internal audit. Keep studying section numbers and stand out from the crowd. All the best.